kung ang isang tao na may HIV,
HIV.
yes, pwede pa ba siyang makipagtalik sa kanyang mahal sa buhay na walang HIV?
Ang sagot is false. Kasi ang pagtatalik, I think, is isang something very physiologic. It's a human need. And I think it's a parang sign of showing love to your partner. Bakit? Kasi sa isang pasyente may HIV, pero if he or she is on treatment, umiinom na siya ng gamot, at yung kanyang virus sa katawan is sobrang suppressed. Pag sinabi kong sobrang suppressed, undetectable na. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung kanyang compliance at response sa paggagamot. So if you are a viral load na undetectable, sobrang baba na ng chance for you to transmit itong infection to your partner. So the answer is false. As long as you are on treatment, yung partner mo is naka-PrEP. I think maganda din pag-usapan natin mamaya yung PrEP. Yung PrEP kasi is the medication that you will take para ma-prevent yung infection.